summer team. Let us all welcome our great heroes from the Armed Forces of the Philippines, our Philippine Army. The Philippine Air Force, the Philippine Navy, the Philippine Marines, and joining them, the Philippine National Police. Tonight, the PBA stands in awe of your courage. While we play for a trophy on this court, you fight for our peace, our freedom, and our future on the front lines. Your unselfish service and ultimate sacrifices are the real MVP performances that keep our nation safe. From the entire PBA family, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang paglilingkod at pagtatanggol sa